Hurry. Keep going. We still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people left. Go. No. Just keep going. Rhino bowling time. I wish I was a leader. Ha! Got you now, you giant. Ow. I know it's Spider-Man. Ow. I know it's Spider-Man, but I still capture animals. Cause spiders are animals. You stay away from my hurting me. 20 minutes later. "20 minutes later. Guys, I have an announcement to make. It's time for the herd to move. I'll just let you know everybody said that. I know what y'all are all thinking. Why are we moving? It's because there's a human and he left something. Hold on. And it could be dangerous to us all. I will show it to you. A few moments later. This is what he left after I electrocuted him until he's dead. So, it could be dangerous to us. That's why he probably has